You gonna be the next president or what? Yeah? Yes, yes, no problem. Yes, 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 yes. Guys, welcome to Shillong. I wonder one thing. Every time I come here, why is it raining? It was beautiful day. Sun was shining, you know. And suddenly I arrive, I park the car, I bring the rain here. What's wrong? I don't even have an umbrella. But no problem. Actually, this area of Shillong, this is I have never room around here. Okay, so we're gonna check it out and see how is this area of Shillong. Actually, I'm not quite sure. That like what is this place exactly. I really don't know, but we will find it out. We will find it out. And the one thing what I really want to do is I want to eat something. Raining very much. But as we say also in Finland, we used to say that if it rains at the summertime, the sun will dry you up. So it is no problem at all. So let it rain then. I was actually also looking for one burger place. Just gonna walk from here like that. One burger place, what I really like. But unfortunately, that shop is closed today. I think they don't like to work on Mondays. And one thing also is that very nearby somewhere here is like a cathedral. Hello, hello. So we go check it out also, that one. Let's see what is this place. What is this? Burger Shing. Hello, hello, how are you? How are you? Kom nu. Kom nu. Here, burger.
Market?
Burger.
Oh, burger.
Yes, burger. Is it good? It's good.
Yeah,
Burger here. Okay, okay.
Keranda Kamaram. Nang, Keren Maram.
Kram Maram. Kram Maram.
Himudihano.
Himbudia Hando.
Himudihano.
Hipuni
Himudihano.
What is it? What means?
Himudihano means where are you going?
Where are you going?
Yeah.
Oh, like that. Hello, hello. How are you? How are you? So you are from Maram or what?
Yeah, I am Maram.
Okay, you teach me something else. Hello, 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 hello. Hello.
Minta pi wan hano, pi di hano ma pi.
Again. Wow. Again. Piti Hano. Okay,
Pi wan national mut pi wan hano, pi di hano. Pi ma pi.
Piti Hano.
Pi di hano minta.
Piti Hano Menta. Can I say Piti Mano Hanta? Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I can say somebody Piti Mano Hanta.
Yeah.
Like that? Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay, thank you more.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Okay. Piti Mano Munta. Piti Mano Hunta. Chicken tikka masala. There is fries and
Drink and a burger.
okay. I try only the burger. Okay, so I would like to have this Bihari cost mutton. Is it very spicy or what?
Yes,
Spicy. Okay, one. That's it. Hello, hello. How are you? All good? Okay, good. I actually saw that here is so many schools around. So let's go check it out if we can find what kind of schools. And like I say, the cathedral is here nearby somewhere. Don't know exactly where, but we will find it out. Yes. Hello, hello.
I'm big fans of you.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
We are AB family, right?
Yes, AB family. Yes, yes.
And
yes.
that auntie here, she is.
Actually, she is at home.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can
so-
we take some pictures?
Of course, we can have a photo. Why not? Hello. Hey. Hello, hello. How are you? Ah, good. Hi, baby. To you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Somebody have a birthday. 13 years old. Where is the burgers? Where is the burgers here? I got the burgers here. Okay. Where we gonna go eat? Because I took it a takeaway. A took a takeaway. For that area there, that is like there is so many schools. So it's a full packed up of schools. I wonder how they find all the students. Probably so many people here around. I think so. Hey, no way, who is here? Mr. Kun is here. Small world, small world. Where are you going?
I'm going there for some work.
Some work?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
What
good.
about you? Which came from?
No, actually, I came from that side. And then I came from where is the schools. But where is the cathedral?
Cathedral, that side.
It's that side. So
Yeah,
I
you
just
can-
walk there.
Yeah, you can go straight there and you'll...
Okay. Okay, good. Mo, bye. Okay, bye now. Okay, so I've met my friend. Kun actually, he's if you need any... Hello. If you need a good cameraman, you can contact him. Hello. You can contact him. He will do nice videos for you. Hey, I think so. This is a good place to eat. Is it? Hello, 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 hello. Because how far is that place? Maybe I eat here only. I eat here only. Let me put it nicely. I think now we have the spot here. We are not bothering anybody. We are here, you know, we have like a small place, like a small corner. Let's check it out. How is this one? How is the burger? First time. Made in India, or what? Was it made in India? And of course, you know, guys, we don't throw these things just on the ground, okay? So we just put it in a dustbin. More, put it in a dustbin. Here, actually, when I'm looking for this, where is a school, I can see that there is not you know, trash around here and there. I cannot see, but what is actually very good thing. More. And one of the burgers, they say that it's very hot, it's very spicy, very chili, okay? So actually this is the chicken one, crispy chicken. What I can say? Hello. Fine. Oh, fine only. Two boys, if you see this video, I have been willing to come in your shop 2 times, but you have been closed. What's that? Because I want to eat your burgers. That's the thing. And like I was saying, when I reach here, I bring the rain. But now when I start to walk here, sun is shining. So I'm very happy to, you know, to do the vlogging now. Hello, hello. Very happy now. Hello, hello. Yes, hello, hello. How are you?
Fine.
Oh, fine. Okay, where do you go? Shano?
I'm going to Malki.
Market?
Malki.
Malki?
Yeah.
Oh, the cathedral is that side or what?
Yes. It's near here.
Here only.
Yes.
This is the spicy one. This is very small. Let's see how spicy it is. They told me that it's very spicy. Is it or what? Let's see. Is it spicy? Don't know yet. If I could compare, I could take the chicken. It's not that spicy. Alright. Good burgers. How is my face? Fine only? We're gonna go check it out, the cathedral building. So, let's go. Hello, cameraman. Yes. Bye. Hey, there is a cameraman. Yes. Okay, so it's this one. Cathedral of Mary, hello. Cathedral of Mary, help of Christians. Laitukram. Laitum Kra Shillong. Here in India it's very hard to find a dustbin. But in front of the cathedral is a dustbin. Hallelujah. Look at this one. You can park a car here. You can have tens of thousands of people here.
What's that?
Hello, how are you? All good?
Okay. Wait a minute. Where are you from?
I'm from here.
Huh?
From here.
Here.
Yes, from where are you?
I'm from Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Ah.
Oh,
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Ah.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Originally, I'm from Finland.
YouTuber.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm a
Finland.
YouTuber. Yes,
Europe.
yes.
Okay.
You know where is Finland?
Ah,
Exactly.
Yes, yes.
Where?
North.
North.
Europe.
Near to what?
Sweden, Norway, Finland.
Wow, nice.
Yes.
Clever guy. You have done your studies. Good.
Okay. Thank you.
So West Bengal.
Ah.
Okay, I want to come to visit.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes, I'm a YouTuber. Yes. Yeah, you are there.
Hello.
So hello.
Subscribe his channel.
Yes, thank you. What you can teach me in West Bengal? You teach me something. Something you teach.
How are you? কেমন আছো তুমি?
Oh,
হ্যাঁ
keme?
কেমন
Kemon?
আছো
Achu?
তুমি?
Tumi. Okay, keme nachu tumi.
কেমন
Keme
আছো তুমি?
keme nachu tumi.
I am fine.
Ah.
আমি ঠিক আছি।
I'm a chikachi.
হ্যাঁ আমি
Ah.
ঠিক আছি।
Keme nachu tunami.
কেমন আছো তুমি?
Keme nachu tumi.
তুমি।
Keme nachu tumi. Okay,
okay.
I'm gonna say next person. I'm gonna say keme nachu tumi. And then I will see what they will answer. Okay. Keme nachu tumi.
Hello, sir.
Keme nachu tumi.
I don't understand your language.
No, it's not my language. Actually, it's a West Bengal. I
Oh,
just learned it from there.
I'm a big fan of yours.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate.
God bless you,
God bless you too. God bless you too. More.
Coming here alone.
Yes, actually, yes. Today I
Oh,
came.
we're
along.
on live.
No, we are not live, but we are in the video.
Oh, okay.
All in the video. Peace.
Brother,
peace.
can I take a photo of you?
Of course.
Yeah, you stand over here, bro.
Yes, here. All right, let's have a like that.
Ah, you're very good looking.
Oh, thank you. You are too. Okay, Sindhu.
Sandal.
Yes.
bless you, brother.
God bless you too. God bless you.
You are student of Don Bosco.
Oh,
Yeah,
student.
yeah.
Of
Which school?
Photography, videography. This Don Bosco
Oh, there is a school of the.
of photography and videography.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
And this area is called Latkunan.
Lajungkra.
Like Kumra,
Like-
something like that. Oh,
Some
okay.
call Laimu, some call Laimukra.
Oh.
Nowadays Gen Z people they call Laimu.
Laimu. Okay,
You know
I'm gonna do
Yeah.
Laimu. We are here now in. Welcome to Laimu.
But 90s people they call Lajungkra.
Okay.
Those 2000 people they call Laimu.
Okay, Laimu. I'm gonna do that, Laimu. Oh no, we have our own language.
How do you say hi in
No,
your...
I can say something. Moi, mitä kuuluu? Tänään ollaan täällä Shillongissa jätkien kanssa ja jätkät on videokuvaaja ja meikäkin videokuvaaja. Täällä ollaan hyvä ilma Shillongissa, katedraali on siinä ja Jeesus on Herra.
It's the same like Russian, huh?
No, it's not like a Russia, but yeah, it's very different.
Oh.
You say that you wanted to shoot a video with me, so what do you want to say for the audience? You can say anything. What is in your heart?
Be open.
Be open. What is in your heart? What do you want to say?
I want them to subscribe to your family.
Okay.
Your channel.
Okay, that's good.
And always watch your channel.
Oh wow, that is good. That is good. Do you have something else to say than that?
They should go to the church and pray for God. They should go to Sunday school. They should always pray before sleeping.
Oh wow. Oh, okay. So that's a good one. That's a good advice for my opinion. So thank you very much.
That's okay.
Yes. Thank you for the word. More.
I'm fine.
You're fine. Where are you going? You're just hanging out, nah? Okay. Okay, bye. Bye. Wow, now I understand why this is like a area Lalu. What is Lalu? Laglu. Hello. Hey, bye. So now I understand why this school street is like that. Look at this amount of students are in the streets. Look at it. Hello. Hey, hello. How are you? How are you? You're fine?
Yes.
Okay, good. Hello. Okay, here is. Oh, hello. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Wow, what is your name?
One Sakim Limngap.
Wow, nice. Which one?
Huh?
Your name?
One Sakim Limngap.
Okay, good. You have nice name, long name also. Which class you are?
6.
Class 6. Okay, what have you learned today?
English, maths.
You have English. You okay? Learn English and math. What else?
Science.
Computer science.
Social.
Wow. So your school is good. This is your school? Wow. And now you go back home? Like that? Like that you? Oh, so you go by bus? Okay, God bless you now. Have a good studies. Bye. Wow, so many students. Woo-hoo. Hello, how are you? Fine. I was saying that if you come on this time to with the car. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Good.
You are from?
I'm from Finland.
Sorry?
Finland.
Yes,
Finland. Nice to meet you. Oh yeah, so I was saying that it will take definitely forever. I have never seen this much students. I actually wonder how many people are living in Shillong. Which school you are? Is it good school? Yeah, best one. Yeah.
Not best one.
Not best, but good. Oh wow, okay. And how old are you guys?
17 and 16.
17, 16 plus. Okay, God bless you guys. Have a great studies. More. Okay, be successful in life.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. All right. Yes, AB family. Hello. Wow. This I'm still shocked. It's a massive amount of students here. My goodness. Look at it. Woohoo. And then of course Pani Puri. What it is? Pani Puri, right? So after looks like that after students have done their studies, learning something, like the one guy say maths and science and English. Hello. They were running away. So after that, after study is over, they come here only to eat Pani Puri. How is the Pani Puri?
Oh, it is nice, but we're taking time. We see you on YouTube. Hello.
Oh, hello. Yes. So people say that the Pani Puri is nice, but it takes time. Obviously, many people want to eat Pani Puri only. What is the school? Huh? Oh, St. Mary's School. St. Mary's School. Hello. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Car. Okay, I'll go buy car. I'll go buy a car for Erilla. Mercedes Benz or Lamborghini. May I also have fun? How you want?
Hindi.
कहाँ चेगा? Hindi, oi pai, सब ठीक है? Oh, thank you. Let's try. How much is it?
14 rupees 5 piece.
14 rupees 5 piece. Okay, 14 rupees 5 piece of Pani Puri. That's how they do. It's good they have a gloves also. Like that. Okay, let's try. Hello guys. What do you want to say? You want to say something?
Add extra chili to the pani puri.
It's good. Good. You like also? Huh? Wow.
Let's go. Bye.
Bye-bye.
But this is last one, right? 5. How is your ice cream? It's good. What is the taste of the ice cream? Strawberry. Okay. हाँ? कहाँ से? हाने. कहाँ?
आपका कंट्री कहाँ?
फिनलैंड से.
Oh, Finland.
Yeah, फिनलैंड से. अच्छा है. Hello. How are you? You're fine. Okay, good. This is Sapparang or what? Katno long. Arpao. May I want? Arpao. Is Arpao 20 or what?
Yeah, 20.
Okay. Shillong pineapple here. Actually, the one thing is that what I could say, it is not a seasonal. Okay. talking something like pss, 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 pss. Then they run away. I was saying that it is not the seasonal, it's not the pineapple season yet. At least, yes, I think I'm right. It is not yet, but let's try it. Good only. Obviously, I don't know where this pineapple is coming from, but I have to say that our side, it is better. You're good. The school is finished. What have you learned today? What you have learned a lot. What have you learned?
Too many to
Too many things to say, no? Like that. Okay. You have learned something today? Okay. Okay, so somebody says that too many things he have learned, and then other one is saying, I don't know. What about the girls here? What do you have learned today in school? They are running away only. Let's go ask them. Somebody else. Guys, what do you have learned today in school? You have learned something in school? What do you have learned?
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
I am good.
You're good. What have you learned today in school?
I have learned EVS, GK, social studies and science. And they're leaving me, so bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, so somebody have learned something in the school. Hello. Can you say to me, what have you learned today in a school? You have learned something?
Yeah, we have learned a variety of things.
Variety of things.
Yeah.
Example.
I've learned economics. I've
Economics.
learned English.
Oh, English.
Yeah, I've learned lots of things.
Oh, lot of things.
Yeah.
So every day you're learning.
Yeah,
Anything.
every day I try to learn more and more things.
That's good.
Get better and
Yes,
every day.
because that's the way of to be a successful
Yeah.
man. Right. So always learn something new.
Yes, always experience
Till
new
the
things.
end.
Yes.
Till the end. Till the last breath.
Yes.
Always we can learn. Is it true or what?
Exactly. Oh, you do from EB family, right?
Yes. Yes. Hello.
How are you?
All good. All good. I'm just asking from people here what they have learned today. What have you learned?
I teach science, so today I learned physics, chemistry, and biology, and zoology, and stuff like that.
Oh, wow. Okay, good. Thank you for, to having the time. God bless you, Mo. Okay. Thank you, Mo. Okay, bye. Yes.
I see you on TV.
Oh, you have seen me in TV. Wow. You are so cute. For which class you are?
I'm class 3.
Class 3. Okay, have you learned today something in school?
Yes.
What you have learned in school?
The solar system.
You have learned what?
The solar system.
Oh, solar system. And how old are you?
100.
You are 8 years old and you have learned something from the solar system? Like that? You're gonna be the next president or what? Yeah? What is your name?
My name is Imaya.
Demaya.
Imaya.
Imaya is your name. Wow, you have beautiful name. Okay, bye. Go safely. Okay, bye. Wow. Nimaya have learned something for the solar system. Even I don't know how it works. 8 years know better than me. What to do? Oh, I think I need to go back to school or what? Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Where are you going?
To eat something.
To eat something. What is your favorite food?
Momo.
Momo. Okay, Momo, chicken or pork?
Chicken.
Chicken, Momo, of course. Everybody loves chicken. Hello. Everybody loves chicken. Why not? I just ate a chicken burger. Hello. Everybody in Shillong knows. If you live in Shillong, traffic, it's a problem. Is there a solution? If there is a problem, there is always a solution. In this case, I don't have the answers. Hello. Probably somebody have, but problem in Shillong, the traffic. Is it a problem? Traffic problem? Bye bye. Let's ask somebody. Is it a problem or what? Hello, how are you?
How are you?
All good, all good. How are you?
Nice.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the tailor shop.
Oh, tailor shop.
Yeah.
Can you tell me, in Shillong is the traffic problem?
It is.
It is a huge problem, right?
A very huge problem.
What could be the solution for that one?
Probably following traffic rules and like bigger roads.
Right, bigger
Yeah.
roads. But how to put the bigger roads here, because it's very narrow only.
Not just here, but then we need to divert roads.
Divert
Yeah.
roads like that.
Yeah.
I have one cappuccino.
You have seen your video and audience.
Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Have you seen also in YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, good. You like?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. How is the cappuccino here in Shillong? I forget already the shop name.
Hello, bro.
Hello.
Big fan.
Oh, thank you.
Bro.
Yes, thank you very much. How the cappuccino is here? At least very hot. They have put sugar here. No problem. My mistake, because I forgot to say no sugar. Because I never put sugar on my coffee. Lahtokia, was it Lahtokia? No Lahtokia, something else. Let's ask for these girls, how you call this place? Excuse me, how you call this place? Huh? Laimenkra. Laimenkra. Huh? Laimenkra. Okay, thank you. So guys, thank you for joining in for Laimenkra city. This is not. I was almost saying a village, but it's not a village. Laimenkra, here in Shillong city. Nice city, beautiful city. Shillong have approximately 5 lakhs people, 2 lakhs at least. Thank you guys for joining in this episode. God bless you, all the children. God bless you, all the students around here. I pray and AB family wish you all the best for the exams, all the best for your studies. And AB family is also saying it's up to you how successful you want to be in life.
Hello, brother.
Hello, how are you? Fine. Hello.
See you.
Oh, you have seen?
Yeah.
Oh, did you like?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, good. Glad to hear.
Even my friends are.
Oh, they are running away. Thank you. Peace out. Pow. Like and subscribe. Don't forget, guys. Let's hit for 1 lakh.